Okay, so simulan natin. Pandas. Most data scientists who work in Python also use Pandas, which is a library specifically designed for data analysis. Conventionally, Pandas is shortened to PD when it's imported. Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib and Seaborn are Python libraries that are specifically designed to make data visualizations. To make data viz with Matplotlib, we import just one module called Python from the library that shorten it to PLT. That Seaborn is conventionally imported as SNS. In this exercise, we learn how to run a test on Pandas code Jupyter Notebook on the right. In the next exercise, we'll see how Matplotlib comes into play. So, dyan tayo mag-start. Practice running code in Jupyter Notebook. Select the code cell beginning import Pandas. Click everywhere. Okay, dyan tayo. Click run before, click the run button or the shift enter keys, see image below. Click run. Ayan, dito natin yung image ng dito natin. Ayan. Tapos click save button or use control command or command S key to save your work. Click the test work button below on Jupyter to check it if you completed the checkpoint. Save natin ito. Tapos yan. Tapos run tayo. Yan. Okay. Test natin. If you successfully completed the checkpoint, you'll get a green check on top of the checkpoint. When all checkpoints are completed, the next button at the bottom right will become clickable. Load Matplotlib. Welcome to the lesson of the Matplotlib. As we just learned, Matplotlib is a Python library used to make graphs. It is commonly used by research scientists and data scientists, among other professionals. Matplotlib makes it easy to turn tabular data in spreadsheets, table, or CSV into basic visualizations. So, in this lesson, we will learn about 5 basic chart types, review the general structure of Matplotlib code, make a line chart to compare temperature data from around the world, explore the line chart, you can change style option, adjust axis, and add title and legend. So let's practice running the first 2 Jupyter cells, load our packages, display the chart correctly. Select the code cell beginning, hashtag, load, Matplotlib. Hintayin na natin. Tagal pa na ito. So, sanang skip. Matplotlib and Pandas. Click everywhere. Click the run button or shift or plus enter return keys. Nakikita natin. Bila. Click the save button to use control command S. Repeat the process with the cell that says display chart correctly. Save, run. Then display charts correctly. Okay. If you successfully completed the checkpoint, you get a green check. Test something. Okay. We need some data to get data's visualization going. We're going to look at monthly average temperatures from around the world. Run the cell that says double hashtag, loading the data. Loading the data. Then save notebook, click test work. Save. Run natin ito. Tapos test work. With our data loaded, let's take a peek at what Matplotlib can do. The next code is all set up. Still no need to type anything. Just run the cell, says hashtag, make a chart, make a line chart. Hit save. Run natin. Kita natin itong image. Ayun yung tawag dyan. Plot. Indicate lahat Ayun na, data modeling. Pero ano natin, tingnan natin sa next. Sa ngayon, start na tayo sa basics. Okay. Next. Chart menu. Before we jump into the making line chart, let's take a step back and learn about the 5 common chart types in data visualization and how we make them appear in Matplotlib. Each graph can be made in Matplotlib has a dedicated function. To change the graph type, we change which graph function we're calling from PLT. Here are the 5 most commonly used charts in the function we call it and make them. Line chart shows continuous change, often used to measure and change over time. Scatter plot uses position to show the relationship or correlation between two numeric values. Bar chart uses bar height to compare and measure between categorical variables. Pie chart shows the breakdown of a whole into its parts. Histogram shows how one kind of data is distributed. Skip na natin itong iba kasi mawawalan tayo ng connection at any time. So, kaya gagawin natin, diretso na tayo sa instructions. In this lesson, we will focus on the line chart. By the end of this module, however, we will cover everything needed to make all 5 of these charts. So, hintayin na lang natin ulit. Yun na yung yun ang malas tawag dyan, malas natin. Malas. The first cell will load the packages and import all datasets you need for this graph. Run this cell first. After, simply run each cell or press command or control enter to see its graph appear. Take a minute to look at the code and see if you can predict anything about how the graph will look or what will be included. There's no coding required for this lesson, so you don't have to save or press test book once you're done exploring this book. You can click the next anytime. For the this lesson, in the next one, you'll be able to code every single line of Matplotlib code in this notebook yourself. So, gagawin natin, save natin, run. Run natin halos lahat. Run natin lahat. Run. 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 Run natin ito lahat. Yung gagawin natin. Tapos test one. Next. Sorry. Anatomy of Matplotlib code. We saw in the last exercise, each graph in the Matplotlib is made using a specific graph function for that graph. Inside the parentheses of the function, we put arguments that are specific to each kind of chart. For example, what color and weight to make each line chart, which x and y values to use a scatter plot or bar chart, or how big to make the bins in histogram. Almost all the changes we can make are done outside of the graph function. In additional graph functions, Matplotlib also has general functions. These functions allow us to change general aspect of the graph, like its title, legend, or axis scaling and labels. We're calling these general functions because they apply to all kinds of charts. For example, a scatterplot title is not different from the bar chart title. Each of them will be added to a graph using PLT title after the graph is made. There are some common general functions. First up, title, PLT title, legend, PLT, plot legend, plot label, plot x label, plot x scale, plot y x. Tapos print, show, ayun, nakikita natin. Pie chart, PLT, kasi plot yun plot chart. Kaya, lagi ng PLT dot kahit anong type of plot siya. So, yun. Explain ko na lang ng mabilisan. Kasi mawawala tayo ng internet. So, 4 graph functions or 4 general functions are represented in the gift to the right. For now, We block out the parameters, what goes inside the parentheses, so that you can focus on comparing the different functions in their outputs. And you get graph functions, general functions, graph functions, general. Kita natin. Next, make a line chart. Okay, we could cover some basics of Matplotlib syntax now. Seeing how graphs are made in output, make a chart ourselves. In the next series exercise, we focus on making a line chart, compare the temperatures in the cities around the world. As we all saw already, the function of the line chart is .plot. As always, we need to call Matplotlib or PLT. First, to make a line chart with use of PLT plot. The line graph function has parameters for x and y data. PLT plot x and y. X is the data for the x-axis line chart where up measured time. Y is the data of the y-axis, generally things to be until you review over time. The interest rates, the price of the sliced pizza, population size in the country. Depending on the data setup, x and y could be written directly into a function, pulled from a name array or a column of a data frame. You can see live examples of each of these in the Jupyter notebooks where you can see live examples. Nakikita natin. PLT, Matplotlib, tapos plot. Ilalagay na ano ilalagay natin sa plot na yan, sa loob ng plot. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ganyan. Okay. Pero ano natin to? Tingnan natin. So, next, day. Pwede rin ito. Day equals Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Sunday. Tapos, nakatapat siya. Monday ay 540, Tuesday 500, Wednesday 490. Depende siya. Pero nakatapat siya. Sa respect na sa column. Tapos, pwede yung plot, Matplotlib, plot, anong day siya, tapos ilang sales total, tapos yun yung lalabas na resulta. Sorry. Or pwede din siya data frame. Matplotlib, plot, data frame, anong day. Anong day siya, tapos anong sales totals ng data frame. Okay. Yun ang to add multiple lines of charts, we simply call PLT plot. Again, with different y data, Matplotlib will keep adding lines to the same instance of PLT until we clear the plot using clear the figure command. So run the setup cell. Start na tayo. Run a setup cell. Okay? Run na. Mawawala na naman yun. Hindi ko na hindi na mahirap pagka Okay. Write the code to make a line graph plotting the monthly average temperature with work on the y-axis and month in the x-axis. Column names. The first 5 rows of the data are printed below the set. Did you use PL plot? Line data month name. Line data Winhoy average high. So, nalagyan natin kung tama yung ginawa ko. PLT plot line data nasaan line data PLT plot. Month name. Bigyan natin January. January. Tapos, this one. Line data, Win-Hoik, average high, 56. Sige, check na natin. Kung tama yung pinaglalagay ko. Save, run. Ayan. First 5. Kung gawin natin ay January, February, March, April, May. Gawin natin itong ano. January. Small letters. February. March. April. May. Tapos, 86, 84, 82, 79, and 75. Yan. Yan yung ginawa natin. Tapos, sabi, yung tama yung ginawa ko. Save, run. Okay, anotan ko, sorry. Tapos test work natin. Balikan natin. Bakit naman ako ng PLT plot? Bakit hindi na resulta? Direct, ano bang ano siya? Did you use PLT plot? Yes, I use PLT plot. I use PLT plot. Ano bang maling ginawa ko? Run. naman ako ng ano. It's a code to make line graph plotting the monthly average height. Average height. $86, $84, $82. Wait lang. Okay. Kaya pala. Wala siyang ano. Kaya pala nagkakamali ako. Natin. Tapos, test work natin. Since na-input na natin, itong nasa average high. Ano yung nasa loob na average high? Windfork. Average high. Tapos, nilagyan na natin ng 5 points. Ano bang bali ko dito? Bigyan ako ng PLT plot. Baka kailangan ito. Ito 84, 82, 79. Then February, March, April, May. Natin. Run natin to. Tapos, run natin to. Tapos, test work natin. Did you use PLT plot to create a line? I created the line, pero hindi siya gumagana. Naman ako eh. Naran ko na set up cell. Alam ko na PLT plot. Ano ba natin ito? Let's go below. Narrative example. Copy na lang tapos. Ako mali. Did you use BLT plot? Yes, I did. Then, rather confusing. Wala. Mukhang malasa pa dito eh. So, wait lang. Okay, nakuha ko na siya. Took me a while. Yun pala. Di ko na di ko na run lahat. Kaya dyan na nagkaroon ng problema. So, dyan tayo nag-start. Write the code to make line graph. Monthly average. Nilagay ko na lahat. BLT, plot. January, February, March, April, May, 86, 84, 82, 79, 75. And kita natin. Plot natin. Linya. Okay. So, ano natin to? Test work natin. Tutaka pala ako kung bakit ayaw eh. Save natin. Tapos run. Tapos test work. Yes, I used the PLT plot. Ano nangyari ba? In WinWork. Sige, continue na natin to. Ayaw kasi. Yan. Test work. Ito nagkakaroon ng appear na ito eh. Naintindihan ko na pero dahil dyan, continue ko na lang to. Kahit wala nang pa next. So, kahit ito mo. Kasi, tatagalan pa tayo dito eh. Okay. So, add a line to the line graph code to compare the monthly average of high temperature in Kodiak. State natin PLT plot. Ano dito sa Kodiak? Kodiak average high 36, 37, 39, 44, 51, 36, 37, 39, 40. 36, 37, 39, 39, 41, 55. Ayan, ito natin. Say natin, tapos run. Ayan. Ayan, nalabas ang resulta dun sa papakita ng dun sa Kodiak. Monthly average high temperature ng Kodiak pala. Next. Sabi, add a line to each other cities and following. Windhoek, Kodiak, Alice Springs, Quito, Samarkand, and London. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito eh. Isayin pa natin to. Okay, gets ko na siya. Gawin natin. Three, 4, 5. Gawin natin ay since I'm wrong choice January, February, March, April. Natin. January, February, March. Windhoek. Other cities in the following order. Okay. Paano natin magagawa na? Paano? Since ayaw naman siya, yun ang problema natin. Ano meron sa January? Nilalagay natin ito. January. February, March, April, May. Gawin na natin to. Ito. Windhoek. Hold up. Hindi, possible natin to. Gagawa tayo ng paraan. Sa January, other cities in the following order. Since matatagalan pa tayo dito, gawin natin ay yung gagawin natin itong copy paste dahil gagawin natin itong line chart. Possibly. Gawin natin itong line chart. Gawin natin itong line chart. Alright. Oh dear. Springs. Quito. Samarkand. And London. Tingnan natin. Save, run. Okay. Di rin siya. Pero magagawa natin parang wala tayong Hindi ko lang kung anong problema. Dun sa number 1, bakit ayaw siya? Write a code to make a line graph plotting monthly average high temperature in work. Okay naman siya. Ayun o. Save na natin. Tapos, i-run. Tapos, test work natin. Kung ayaw pa rin, ilalagay ko pa rin January. Kung gawin natin month. Tingnan natin. Hindi pa rin. Wala tayong choice. Month. Save. Run. Yeah. Pero ito yung magagawa natin. Ayun na, nakalinya na siya. Yan ang tanong, yan ang ano. Pero isa ano ko, for each, add a line. January. Wait. Gawin na natin ano. Hindi. Gawin natin dyan. Sabi, add a line for each other cities of the following order. Winhoy, Kodiak, Alice Springs, Quito, Samarkand, and London. Gawin na natin add a line. Paano kaya? January. Balikan natin ito. Sabi, add a line. So, ang gagawa natin ngayon ay yung solution natin kasi di ko makita talaga yung tama. Ganun pala. Month name. Line data, Winhoek. Ganun pala. Akala ko iba. Kaya pala nagtataka kung bakit ayaw siya. Okay. Hindi pala siya ano. Okay. Okay. 9. Ano natin ito? Copy-paste natin ito. Pag mabilis. Ito test. Average high. in line. Replace with solutions. Since ewan ko kung ano nangyari, yan, makikita natin. Kaya tatagalan pa tayo dito eh. Ay, nako. Tingnan natin. Bilang. Tingnan natin. Basahin natin. Pero ang tanong ay, write the code to make a line graph for average monthly temperature in WinHoek. So, line data. Ito yung gagamitin nating graph. Tapos month name. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, kahit chuchu. January to December. Line data, which is the line data is x-axis, line data, y, isa pang line data ay y-axis. Tapos WinHoek, yun ang pangalan ng tao dyan. Pangalan ng tao dyan, ng column. Pangalan din sa average monthly temperature in WinHoek column. Ayan, papakita ang resulta. Okay. Tapos, PLT, plot line data, month name, line data, WinHoek. Same din siya. Kaya dadagdag mo naman ulit. Another one. Pero ibahin yung ibahin yung value, yung yung y, ilalagay na y-axis. Anong column ang ilalagay? Pangalan ng column. Hindi natin. Yan, magpapakita na, ayun. Tapos, add a line for each other cities following WinHoek, Kodiak, Alice, Spring, Quito, Samarkand, and London. Same din, same din dito. Same din. Pero magdadagdag lang tayo ng tawag dyan. Dadagdag lang, tapos papalitan lang natin to. Papalitan ng Kodiak, Alice, i-call itong itong column. Yan, ito natin. Tapos ito yung magiging result. Ayan. Changing line color. We create a basic line chart by supplying x and y parameters to the plot function once we have more than one line in the chart. Matplotlib will automatically style them with different colors, always in the same order. The first line is blue, the second so on, and so on. This is helpful, but we'll get more consistent results to controlling the line formatting ourselves rather than leaving it to the default function. Pwede natin palitan ng kahit anong kulay, pero depende sa atin kung anong kulay yung kukunin natin. Ayan, makikita natin. This argument is always string and can be done in 3 options. Single letter lang. Pwede siya single letter. R, G, B, or O, ewan, chu. Kahit ano, basta isa lang. Pwede rin siyang full string color. Or yun, parang red, orange, yellow, green, blue, ewan, kahit anong kulay, ko lang. Pwede, full string siya. Pag single letter, first letter lang. Pag full string, buong word. Buong word siya. Tapos, hexadecimal code. Kahit like, F means white, 800, 880, hashtag 880, which is violet. Tapos, umutan ko yung iba. 0000000, pwede naman black. Basta, related siya sa hexadecimal. Okay. In addition to color, the plot will take parameters line width and line style. Line width takes number, changes the thickness of the line. Line style takes strings, dotted, dash, or solid. Ipitan natin. Pwede naman papalitan ng line width. Like, di ba pag meron kayong line graph, pwedeng palitan ng kapal ng linya. Pwede siyang manipis, mataba, kahit anong size nung gano'ng kahaba. Ano ba yung design? Gusto ng design ng line, like yung putol-putol ng linya, meron may dot dun sa una, may dot dun sa dulo, yung bilog, solid, kahit basta naka-indicate na yung paano klaseng line style. Okay? So, next naman. Run the setup blocks, then run the next 3 code blocks to compare the red line graphs. Run natin lahat. To compare the red line graphs. Test work. Okay. Add color parameter to use color to group lines by hemisphere. With the kind color series. The southern hemisphere green. Gagawin natin dadagdagan na natin sa Alice Springs. Alice Springs at saka Minhoek. Color. Green. Tapos color green. Make line color for Puerto still color still blue, but that is most exactly like Puerto. Still blue. And make line color for all the cities dark orange. Kodiak, Samarkand, and London. Dark orange. Kaya copy-paste na natin ito. Tapos, save, run. Tingnan natin. that you have a wrong color for Alice Springs. Tama na na. Sadyain na natin para mabilis tayo. Kasi, ubus na tayong oras eh. Tama naman ang lagay ko na, diba? Ayun, nakikita natin. Sige, ano natin, replace with solution natin to. Kasi, you're taking too much time na. Dahil sa paghihintay. Explain ko na lang to sa inyo. Medyo mabilisan mo. Kasi, obos na eh. Okay. Isa na to. Run natin itong iba. Run, tsaka run. Okay, explain ko na lang to sa inyo. Paano to? Run natin to. So, nakikita natin na nilagay na yung color. As in indicate anong color ng ano sa dalawang country, sa dalawang cities, Alice Springs at saka Wilhue. Color green ay nakasalpak na. Pwede siyang either full string, single letter, or pwede hexadecimal. Okay. Ayan. Steel blue para dun sa Quito and Kodiak. Kita natin. Tapos, Samarkand, Kodiak, Samarkand at saka London, dark orange siya. Okay na. Tapos, sabi, we finally use line style to differentiate lines of the same color. Sige, iran natin to. Para makita kung gaano itsura yung na-input. Hindi ko lang kung bakit pag nag-input ako mali. Yan siya na nag-a-appear. Diba? Kaya ginawa ko na lang, view solutions ko na lang siya. Tapos i-discuss ko na lang. It's the least I can do. So, for now, dahil nawawala na lang net. Okay. Next. Makikita natin. Lagyan natin sa view solutions natin. Para makita natin kung gaano itsura pag sa results. Ayun, makikita natin. Itong line style na to, parang anong gusto mong design? Anong klaseng design ang gusto mo dun sa line graph? Sa isang country, para hindi magkaroon ng confusion. Like for example, cross path yung dalawang country. Same din siya dun sa color. Nag-cross path. Di mo alam kung sa kanila ang yung direction nila, yung tawag dyan, linya nila. Kaya ginawa, lagyan na ng line style. So, kita natin, May isa nakadotted, may isa nakadash. Nakita natin, nakadot. Nakita natin kung saan nagtungo itong yung sa linya ng ng Alice Spring. Tapos, makikita natin line style ng dash ng Winhoek. Okay? Tapos, steel blue, line width. Ganyan. Kahit linya lang siya, pero yung kapal niya, line width, ayun, gano'ng kapal ng linya niya. Ayun, kapal niya. Mas makapal pa kaysa sa isa pang linya. Dito natin. Tapos, next, nakita natin solid. Orange. Ayun, nakita natin kapal ng solid. Tama ba? Ay, dash pala to. Ito yung dark orange doon sa London. Pag solid, ito, isang linya, itong normal na linya lang. Tapos dotted to. Next natin. Add title and legend. This graph is starting to get interesting. It is pretty hard to interpret though. So let's add the title of the legend. When we set the parameters for our line chart and change line formatting, we did all inside the plot function. Remember dot plot is a graph function in Matplotlib because it makes a line graph. To make the title and legend, we're going to use two of Matplotlib general functions. To put a title and a graph, we simply type the title as a string into PLT title. For example, PLT title, effects of hunger on me, could go on scatter tag showing the correlation between hunger level and me. By default, the title is positioned at the top of the figure. To make legend, we use the general function PLT legend. We use this general function to set up the legend, but in order to tell the legend function which line it is which, also put a label argument inside each line function. Legend use plot label parameter as its information source. Okay. Sino natin to? Sige, natawag din natin ito. Laran natin to. Nakikita natin nilagyan na, imagine na balikan na natin doon sa previous page. Nilagyan na natin lahat. Line plot, anong x niya, anong y niya. Like, tapos nilagyan natin yan, anong color ng line graph ng isang yung una ay red. Tapos nakalagay na label. Parang siya. Papakita na information source niya. So, yun. Same din dun sa sa isa pa. Tapos nakita natin legend. Makita natin yung anong tsura. Anong like for example sa isang after ng makikita output, makikita natin sa either pinakababa, taas, or kahit saan may nakita kang pangalan na Winhoek, lahat ng cities. Tapos naka-indicate lahat ng anong klaseng linya. Anong itsura ng linya niya, anong kulay ng linya niya, anong style ng linya niya. Kaya ayun. Yun ko. To position a legend, we can use the PLT legend parameter box to anchor. Sige. Siya? Para magstay yung para magstay naka-intact yung yung legend, dapat lalagay na natin plt.legend box to anchor. Ayan, nakikita natin tawag dyan. Ito yung gagawa siya ng box. Gagawa siya ng parang box. Tapos sa loob niya, makikita yung legend. Legend ng itong dalawang flat. Yung about dun sa 1, 0.5 yun ang coordination niya. Saan mo ilalagay yung saan mo ilalagay itong yung legend mo? Pwedeng gawin 2.5, 2.22, tapos 225. Pwedeng gawin natin 10. Ay, hindi. Yeah, pwedeng 1. 1, tapos y natin ay 10. Kung sinabi natin 1 ay sa baba, sisimula siya sa bottom left. Yan. Bottom left siya. Tapos, parang siyang nasa pinaka-corner siya. Kung gagawin natin 10 to, 0.5, gawin natin 10. Diba? Pag ginawa natin 10, asan na siya ngayon? Nasa taas siya. Gawin natin, ginawa natin pinaka-corner, top left corner, yung legend. Naka-stay na lang dyan. Yan, kaintindi ko. I-shortcut ko na lang ito para mabilis tayo. So, gawin natin. Title of the graph, average items around the world 2020. Ilaran natin ito. Tapos ilaran natin ito. Title the graph, items around the world 2023. Natin. PLP title. Average. Sorry. Sorry. High temps around world 2020. Sorry. Ayan. Run natin to. Ay, nakikita natin. Pwede natin lagyan to. Kasi, nasa kami na. Sorry. Run natin to. Ayun, makikita natin. Ayun ang title. Diba? Did you add the correct title for the plot? Yes. Double check. Ayan. Pasensya na. Add the correct title. Title of the graph, average high temps around the world. Baka hindi items. Run natin ulit. Ayaw din siya. every single code. Ayaw pa rin. May problema. Around the world. Save. Run. Test work. Kung wala pa rin, check for typos. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako nagkamali. Pero ano natin to? Run. Okay. Use solution lang natin to. Replace natin to. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako nagkamali. Pero, titignan natin. I-explain ko na lang to sa inyo. Kasi, tatagalan pa tayo. Abutin pa tayo ng 1 hour dito eh. Diba? Pwede may higit pa ng isang oras. Ilan? Tignan natin. Yan. Natin. Okay. Sige. As last time, ginawa natin to. Okay, may comma na siya. Pero sinabi, bali yung typos natin. Kaya nagtataka ako kung ano yun. Kaya naman ako mali. Pero ano natin, i-discuss ko na natin. Lagyan natin ng title. Sabi, around the world. Ayun na. Lagyan natin. Tapos, next. Add the city name as a legend label to each line and create a legend. Kita natin. City name. Dito natin. Ano yun? Walang ano? Saan na yan? Okay. So, nilagay na natin to. Next. Gawin na natin. Next part. 20. Add the city name. Plot. 8. Nilagay pala natin to. line style. Gawin natin label line A. Same din dun sa iba. Okay. B. Label line C. Gawin natin A dito. Tapos, since nag-iisa siyang steel, B. Tapos, palitan natin the orange. Gawin natin C. Ay. Okay. Palitan natin ng yan, okay na yan. Tapos PNT dot legends. Legend pala. Tapos yun natin run. Bakit nagkapal? Dapat Saturday? Hindi. Natin. Kasi di natin malalaman yan. Diba? Run natin ito. Pero papakita ko talaga. Okay? Hindi ko alam bakit hindi. The city. Okay. Nilagay ko kasi Alice. Springs. Greenhorn. Quito. Samarkand. London. Korea. Tawag dyan. Run natin. Hindi ko alam ano natin. Run na. Nakita natin. Nagkaroon siya ng error. Which is, that's the problem. run natin. Tapos, run natin. Tapos, run na natin. Tapos, gawin natin na run natin. Ayun, nakita natin. Ito yung mga legend. Tapos, lagyan na natin ang position ng legend natin. So, piliin na natin nasa dito. PLT legend box to anchor equals 0.5. Tapos, run natin. Nakikita natin, ayun o. Nasa ano siya. Sa dulo siya. Nakikita natin yung legend natin. Tapos yung box to anchor, ito yung itong box na to. Kung nakikita nyo yan, ayun o. Box to anchor. Diyan lang siya. Yung box din o. But tapos yung box yun, nasa loob yung mga legend. Legend ng mga lines. Ayun. Ayun, nawala na siya ulit. Sige, next na natin. Let's fix up the couple loose ends on the graph to make it to function international. Our line title legends are good to go, but the axes aren't labeled. And the overlapping tick labels, the months of the year, are hard to read. Axis labels are modified using general functions, so can be easily added to any graph with an x or y axis by using the PLT x labels and the PLT y labels functions, just like PLT title. These functions take a string as an input. Most line charts will have sign colors shown on the x-axis. The label might read PLT x label or quarter, or PLT x label a date. Label date. A y-axis label, for example, could be y label vacuum cleaner sales or y label popular Boston. Tick label also modified using general function. In this case, we use PLT tick params, short for tick parameters, to change the rotation of the tick labels. This function takes many different parameters to adjust tick marks and tick label. Position above or below the axis, length, width, and color of tick marks, as well as the font size, color, rotation of tick labels, among other parameters. We can also use not tick parameters to create grid lines. Kita natin, PLT tick parameters, axis or x, axis niya ay x, sound direction out, color red, label size. Sige, ano natin to? Set up natin to para malaman natin. Label the y-axis or temperature F. Gayahin na natin ito. PLT tick params axis y direction. Pwede natin PLT y labels. Run natin. ano natin? Temperature. Kasi na siya. Temperature. Or F. Yun natin. Tapos, run natin. Correct. Ayun, nakikita natin. Ayun na. Ito. Nakita natin, temperature niya ay F. Test work. Ay, mali. Test work natin. Yun na yung natin, problema natin. Yes. Gawin natin itong label the x-axis month. So, PLT x label natin month. Run natin. Ayun, nakikita natin. Ito yung month. Sinapak niya yung string na month. Next. Pack sa anchor. Rotate the tick labels on x-axis 45 degrees. Copy na lang natin to. PLT ticks ranks. Sino ang natin? Target natin. Axis. X-axis na natin. Direction. Sa isang direction out. Sa labas siya. Tapos, color plus red. Tapos, label size large. Tapos, yun natin label color purple. Tapos, label rotation 45. Natin. Ay, kita natin, Ka-indicate na lahat. Diba? Ayun, makikita natin nakaslant yung mga months. Ayun, hindi natin. Nakaslant din siya. January, February, March. Tapos label color natin, ginawa natin purple. Okay, gawin na natin red or orange. Okay lang. Tapos dito natin, color, yung red. Saan niyo makikita? Itong maliit na red. Saan sila nakatapat? Ayun, makikita natin. Natin. Sana makita niyo ba? Yun lang importante. Ayun na, kita niyo itong Ayun o, kita mo tong linya na to? Ayan, red yan. Ayun o, kita natin. Ay, naka-indicate na. Reset natin. Ayan, kita pa rin. Di ba? Sige, gawin natin ano. Palitan na natin to. Basta alam niyo na yung kung ano ibig sabihin. Okay? Next na natin. We recovered a lot. Let's explore our finish line charts. The export chart, we just call a function, create save fig. Given the file name we want the argument. So to save a line chart as my line plot.png, we could simply call. Plots will default to PNG format, but you can also specify the format as a parameter to save a plot as a JPEG, PDF, or SVG file type, among others. Two other helpful parameters are DPI and bbox inches. DPI allows us to set the resolution, the number of pixels in the image, or essentially how big it is. This works in the same way whether the visualization is a square or rectangle, which is convenient. Box inches tight equals tight ensures that our legend tick labels and axes aren't cut off. These elements exist outside the graph figure, but inside the bounding box or the box. Hintayin na lang natin ulit. Kasi yung internet ko, hindi ka problema. Tatagalan pa to, pero hindi ko natin. Hintayin na lang natin. Ako, 1 hour na pala tayo. Okay. Hintayin pa natin ito. Hintayin na natin ito. Ayusin ko muna itong net ko. Okay. Next, raraan natin ito lahat. Para wala nagkaroon ng problema. Export your line. Okay, tapos export the line chart as a PNG file called line.chart.png. Yun ang gagawin natin. Saan natin ilalagay? pld.savefig natin line chart.png. Nakikita natin, no? Nakikita natin. Test hold natin. Okay. Save na natin tong yung gawa natin. Na-save na itong line chart na to. Ngayon, alam na kung paano gumawa ng line chart using Python. Okay? O gamit ang plot. Paano line data, month name, tapos pangalan ng pinya. Pangalan ng column. Anong gusto mo ng kulay pagdating sa mga line graphs para hindi magkaroon ng confusion pag nagko-collide yung two or more column names. Okay? Tapos, pwede palitan ng line, line style. Anong itsura? Para dito din. Tapos, nakalabel? Di ba nakalabel din sa Tapos, ilalagay dito. Sa label, alis Phoenix lahat ng cities, mapupunta dun sa sa legends. Diyan natin. Okay? Diyan natin. Kung sana naintindihan nyo yan, paano? So, yun lang sabi ko. Okay. So, yun lang.